filter for the GT350. Bought this off American Muscle. They call it the Ford Performance air filter. I don't know. What's coolio? What's in the box? You got the filter. Literally seconds to install, and some stickers. Do not discard this air filter. This is not a disposable air filter. Stickers. Who gives a damn? Oh. This is like wire mesh surrounding the filter. It feels like chicken coop wire. What's this say? I don't know if you can see it. Alright, let's get this installed. Should take really quickly. Alright. So simply, there's a bolt here. Use a 5/16 socket. And I should take it right off. The old filter is plastic. There's a lot of bugs in it. Ew. Can you see the bugs in there? Holy cannoli, this is kind of gross. Interesting. Alright. So this down portion, a little notch. There's a little notch in there. If you can see that. And I guess it just corresponds, so that's why you see pointed downward. Let's just line it up. And the same 5/16 socket. Just go on ahead and tighten it up. I'm being an idiot right now. Alright, so you can see right there, everything's oriented nice and solid. Not too tight, everything's good. It matches the blue of the racing stripes, so it looks good. You can just have that on standby for when it's drying. The air raid filter is washable, so if it gets dirty or soiled, you can simply wash it out, and while it's drying, you can just put back in the original filter, so you're not out of luck there. Yeah. Very simple. Alright, let's see how this sounds.